How to change the font on your iPhone. So first step is go to your settings app, click on display and brightness. In this page, you can just change the text size. If you want it smaller, just slide it to the left and go right for the bigger fonts. Another option you can do here in the settings is to bold your font. If you turn this on, every text you will see on your phone will be bold. But if you want to change the font, hop on your app store and install the app called Fonts. So search that, tap on this logo with the white background. After downloading, open the app and click on Add Now. This will take you to the settings. Now go to any application that display and requires a lot of text. In my case, I will go to Messenger. I will click on the type bar. After that, hold on the globe icon here on the bottom left, click on Fonts, and as you can see, you can now go ahead and choose between variety of fonts before typing in your text. Just note that some of these fonts are free and some require subscription. So that is how to change the font of your iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.